Hello beautiful people, here we are. I am using a Baby Bliss iron on my client that I will be doing extensions on today. As you can see, I'm alternating irons. This is called a smooth out. It's a chemical process just to make the hair softer and less frizzier. The first iron that I use is the blue titanium Baby Bliss iron. As you can see, I am doing her roots with that. It is a stronger, healthier part of her hair, where I am setting the keratin smooth out on her hair. Then I am switching over to a ceramic base iron, which is this chi iron, and that I am going over her ends, which is a softer, not as aggressive iron for her ends. So now I am halfway down through her hair, and I will continue doing the same method. The reason we do a smooth out before extension application is to make the extensions texture match more to the extensions texture. As you can see, I am just removing some of her dead ends before we apply extensions that will be living in her hair for about 4 to 5 months. Now, as you can see, I have my extensions placed. These are great lengths that I am using. As you can see, that is the case. I will be able to determine what color pattern I'll be using once it's placed on my tray. I am using a lighter blonde and a low light blonde for her. I am taking sections below the occipital bone to continue my extension pattern. Then I am going to section the hair out. As you can see, we're using the clear disc of great lengths on the client. The clear disc has 2 lines that are going to show you where the clip and the bond go. The first line is where your clip will be in. The second line is where the keratin bond will be placed. Once it's placed, I am going to use a hot tool to melt the keratin bond. I am going to do a pig blanket melt, meaning I am going to fold it in half. Then I'm going to reheat it and roll it. As you can see, this lets the hair be nice and smooth, and a small bond where it's seamless to the head. As you can see, now we are done with our application of great lengths extensions. Now we will be customizing the haircut. I am picking out every little square of the bond hair just to make it a softer line. So what I'm doing a point cutting method, which makes the hair more seamless. You will continue this method throughout until you no longer see any more little squares on the hair. We used 18-inch hair extensions. Once we are done cutting the extensions, it brings her up to about 17 inches long. So just keep that in mind when ordering extensions. This is now the finale. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching this. Stay tuned for my next extension videos.